This is buckle down page 137, lesson 15, expressions, equations, and inequalities. Guided practice. Is the inequality 144 divided by x is less than 20 true when x is equal to 6? Inequality means comparing two mathematical expressions with inequality symbols such as greater than or less than. Okay, write the expression. Substitute 6 for x. So 144 divided by 6 is less than 20. So we need to actually divide 144 divided by 6. 6 goes into 14 twice. 2 times 6 is 12. Make sure this is less than your divisor. It is. Bring down a digit. Divide again. 6 goes into 24. 4 times, because 4 times 6 is 24. So 144 divided by 6 is 24. Okay, now we have mathematical expression. 24 is less than 20. Compare, is the expression true? No. The inequality 144 divided by x is less than 20 is false when x is equal to 6. Thanks.